Right. 2.5 gases exchange in plants. Okay, yang ni pun kita dah discuss ha. Mechanism of gases exchange in plants. We have a leaf, stem, roots. The plants consist of leaves, stem, roots. So it will provide a large surface area for gases exchange. Kenapa stuck? Okay. Okay, gases exchange in plant occur during the day and during the night also. Both 24 hour. Gases exchange in plants. Respiration occur 24 hours. Only photosynthesis that occur during the day. During the day. Okay, during the day, taking in carbon dioxide and oxygen, giving out oxygen. During the night, taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. Okay, beza. During the day, taking in carbon dioxide and oxygen, both. So means that gases exchange occur in photosynthesis and also respiration during the day. So if you compare this figure, so there are difference. This one taking in carbon dioxide and oxygen also. So the plant use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. We recall back. Okay, oxygen, the plant need oxygen for respiration. Okay, this respiration occur at plant cell. Plant cell. Photosynthesis occur at their leaf. Okay. Okay, so if photosynthesis occur, it will give out oxygen, and respiration will give out carbon dioxide. Okay. So number 1, photosynthesis. Number 2, respiration. Oxygen give out in photosynthesis, the first process, and second, carbon dioxide is released in respiration. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, and during the night only respiration occur. During the night only respiration occur. Okay, respiration only. So gases exchange only occur in respiration during the night, taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. This one in plant cell. Plant cell. Okay, you have found the plant cell. Okay, plant cell. We have a cell wall, cell membrane, vacuole, chloroplast, and nucleus. Okay, nucleus, chloroplast that contain chlorophyll. Okay, this one vacuole. Now still remember this one, and then we have cell wall, cell membrane, the second layer, cell membrane. Okay, this one vacuole, chloroplast. We have a cytoplasm, the substance inside it which is cytoplasm. And then for this chapter, in this chapter, you need to make a comparison between plant cell and animal cell, right? Okay. So respiration occur in plant cell. Okay, diffusion of carbon dioxide. Diffusion of carbon dioxide during the gases exchange, okay, is shown in the figure below. Ini pun saya dah explain. So diffusion process. Okay, this one. You read this one. Diffusion is the process of movement of particle. Movement of particle, especially gases lah. Kita state kepada gases. Discuss about the gases, gas exchange. So this one refer to oxygen and carbon dioxide. The movement of particle which are oxygen and carbon dioxide, from a region of high concentration to low concentration. So for this one, yeah, the diffusion of carbon dioxide, okay, occur when there is low carbon dioxide to from high carbon dioxide to low carbon dioxide. Okay, the first process is from the air space. Okay, from here, number one, air space between the cells, okay, have higher concentration of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide will diffuse into the plant cell, into the cell. So this carbon dioxide will diffuse into the cell. Okay, diffuse into the cell. Okay. So after the carbon dioxide is diffused into the cell, the concentration become lower. Okay. After this carbon dioxide diffused into the cell, into the plant cell, okay, the plant cell, the green one, okay, so the concentration become lower and lower. Okay, now second, the diffusion of carbon dioxide occur here at the stoma. Okay, number one at the air space inside the leaf, inside the leaf. Okay, number one, I write it here. The diffusion of carbon dioxide in the cell occur in the air space inside the leaf. Okay, second, when the carbon dioxide become lower and lower, now the concentration of carbon dioxide outside the stoma or outside the leaf become higher or higher compared to carbon dioxide in the leaf because it already diffused into the cell. Right. Okay, now when the carbon dioxide inside leaf become lower, then the carbon dioxide outside the leaf will enter the leaf through diffusion, through stoma. Okay. Then, here I want to explain to you the diffusion of carbon dioxide. First, carbon dioxide diffuse into the cell. Why it diffuse into the cell? Because at the first time, carbon dioxide here higher than oxygen. Carbon dioxide here higher than inside the cell, so it diffuse into the cell. Then second, when carbon dioxide inside become lower and lower, once it diffuse into the cell, okay, it become lower. So higher concentration of carbon dioxide outside the leaf will diffuse into the leaf. Replace the lower concentration. Okay, boleh ha? Okay, next, that is diffusion. Okay, now this one structure of stoma. Okay, structure of stoma. Not responding. Okay, we have open stoma and big closed stoma. Okay, yang ni pun saya dah explain dia punya structure bean shape. The gut cells is bean shape structure. Okay, open stoma. Remember to label. This is gut cell. The gut cell look like the bean. Okay, gut cell. And this is the center is stoma. Okay, stoma is singular, stomata is plural. So there are same one, same meaning, same concept. Stoma or stomata, benda yang sama. Okay. The function of gut cell is to allow the movement of gas, either carbon dioxide or gas. Okay. Gut cell contain chloroplast to carry out photosynthesis. So that's why it's green in color. Stoma green in color because it has chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. What's their function? To trap the sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay. Stomata of plants open during photosynthesis when there is light, and close when it gets dark or when temperature is higher on a hot day. Okay. Function stoma. Okay, next osmosis. Okay, last time we stopped here at osmosis process. Okay, osmosis process also quite same with diffusion, but osmosis process is the movement of water molecules. Okay, process of movement of water molecules from high concentration to low concentration of water molecule. High concentration of water, H2O, to low, high to low concentration of water. Okay, dari kawasan yang banyak air ke kawasan yang kurang air. Yes. So if you can see, we can see the figure 2.19 here. Okay, left side, left region, right region, left region, right region. So this left region have more water. More water. This one less water because it has more solute. A large solute. Okay, large solute of molecule or more solid, more sugar. Sucrose or sugar. Sugar is a more bigger molecule. Sucrose is a type of sugar also, but more simple. Simple than sugar. Okay, and then this one. When we have here osmosis occur when there is different concentration. Different concentration in two region. So when this right region have low concentration of water, automatically higher concentration of water at left will move to the right. Will move to the right. That's why we see here the level of water increase. The level of water increase. So means that concentration of water become same. Dia punya concentration become same. Okay. Understand? From lower concentration of water to low concentration of water. This one we can see there less water because there are a lot of solute. And the next diagram show same concentration. Same concentration of solution. Punyai kepekatan yang sama, even dia punya volume is different. Okay, now we apply the process of osmosis in gut cell. Okay, in gut cell. Actually, the process osmosis occur in gut cell. Okay, when there is light, gut cell carry out photosynthesis to produce glucose. So when photosynthesis occur, the glucose become higher, increase. The concentration of glucose will increase during photosynthesis. Okay, then the water level in the gut cell become decrease. Now, then the osmosis process will occur. Okay. When the glucose increase, there are a lot of sucrose in the gut cell. Okay, a lot of sucrose in the gut cell. Then it need water. Water automatically will enter the gut cell. Automatically enter the gut cell to balance the concentration of water. Understand? Okay, during photosynthesis, glucose or sucrose become higher. Okay, glucose become higher. So there are less water. Then the osmosis process will occur where the water will enter the gut cell because less gut cell inside the gut cell, right? Less water inside the gut cell. The water will diffuse into gut cell. Diffuse into gut cell. Then when the water diffuse into gut cell, it will become curved and turgid, turgid and curved gut cell because it full with water. Now, conversely, at night or on hot day, okay, water will diffuse out. Water will diffuse out from the gut cell, keluar. Because the temperature, outer outer temperature or the temperature at the surrounding outer of the stoma is higher than inside. Then the water will diffuse out. Water diffuse out means that the concentration of water outside is less than inside. So yang ada banyak dekat dalam ni, water inside is more than outside. It will diffuse out. Diffuse out to the airspace between the leaf. Airspace between the leaf, between the cell of the leaf. Okay, boleh Then it become, the gut cell will become flaccid and straight. Flaccid and straight. Okay, this one yang ini akan jadi open stoma lah. Open stoma. Open stoma. So when stoma is open, it will allow carbon dioxide to diffuse into the leaf. Diffuse into the leaf. Because in this time, they are carry out photosynthesis. They are carrying out photosynthesis. A lot of glucose is produced and it need more water. Need more water. Okay, need more water. Okay, and then this one, closed stoma. Okay, closed stoma. Okay, closed stoma. So less exchange of gases or no exchange of gases. Right. Dah tutup dah. So this one maybe occur during the night or hot day. Night or hot day. Okay. Why it closed? Because it doesn't want to lose water. Prevent loss of water from the leaf, from the stoma. Okay. Kalau hari yang panas ataupun waktu malam. Okay. Right. Effect of osmosis on stoma. Okay. Yang saya explain tadi lah. It will cause the stoma to open and also it will cause the stoma to close. To close. Open when photosynthesis and close at night during respiration. Okay. This one, importance of unpolluted environment for the survival of plants. Okay, we have effects of haze and dust on the plants. What is the effect of haze? If there are two haze and two dust around us, what happened to the plant? We also got their effect. We also will have bronchitis. So remember, haze, dust, and pollen. Okay, will causes asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, emphysema. 4. Asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, lung cancer. 4 diseases. 4 diseases from the harmful substance. Now effects of haze and dust on plants. Okay. So these two only lah, haze and dust only lah will affect the plants. Yang lain tak ada. Apa? Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, apalagi nitrogen dioxide. Apalagi carbon monoxide, cigarette tar. Okay, what we have learned before, the harmful substance, cigarette tar, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and haze, dust, and pollen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 harmful substance. 5 harmful substance. So that's one for this effect for human, respiratory system in human. That's why we have four diseases, which is asthma, okay, asthma, and then we have bronchitis, our bronchus, okay, bronchitis, inflammation in bronchus, and then emphysema, okay, emphysema, inflammation in our alveolus, damaged alveolus, okay, asthma, irritation in the air passage, okay, and then one more is lung cancer cause of cigarette tar. So it's four diseases. And for plants uh, don't doesn't have disease, right? So there are another effect of haze and dust to plant. Okay. All right. There's a question here. What will happen to a plant if its stomach are clogged with dust? When there are a lot of haze and dust, it will cover the plant. It will cover the whole plant or the surface of the leaf of the plant. So what happened? So what happened to the stomach? Okay, it will already, the answer already here. It will prevent the gases exchange or diffusion of gases exchange into the stomach. And then what happened if there is no gases exchange occur? What happened to the plant? It cannot what? Whether a lot of haze and dust cover the leaf, so it will block or clog the stomata and prevent gases exchange. So when there is no gases exchange, the plant cannot carry out photosynthesis. Okay, that's the answer. Cannot carry out photosynthesis. And also cell respiration or cellular respiration. Okay. Jadi biasa jawapan yang inilah. Cannot carry out photosynthesis. Because it cover the leaf. The leaf is the main part of the plant to carry out photosynthesis because the leaf contain chloroplast. The chloroplast will trap the sunlight. If the leaves are covered with the dust, it will cannot trap the sunlight, block the sunlight, so it cannot carry out photosynthesis. This cell respiration will still carry on lah, because this respiration occur in the cell, in the plant cell. Okay, now effects of acidic gases in the air on the survival of plants. Okay, acidic gases in the air. These acidic gases will not diffuse directly into the plants, either in their leaf, stem. So, but it will affect if these acidic gases are dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. Okay, dissolved in water, in rainwater that produce acid rain. So this acid rain will dissolve in soil. Masuk ke dalam tanah, absorbed by the root. Absorbed by the root. So this acid rain will kill plant cell and cause soil to be acidic and less fertile. Kurang subur. So it's not good for plants. Okay, will kill plant cell and cause soil to be acidic. The soil become acidic once it dissolve into the soil. Not good for plant. Kill the plant. Okay, most plant cannot live in highly acidic soil. It will reduce agricultural produce and cause food shortage. So dia punya crop will become decrease. The crop or the yields become less or decrease and cause food shortage. Okay, sayur-sayuran, buah-buahan pun akan berkurangan lah, reduce or decrease. Okay, among the preventive measures against the effect of pollution, Okay, number 1, we ban open burning. Okay, tapi masih ada juga kan in Indonesia. Okay, selalu je ada. Okay, and then number 2, limit the number of motor vehicles on the road in Beijing, China. Jauh sangat. Limit the number of motor vehicle in China. Pada kat China lah. Kat Malaysia pun dah banyak dah kenderaan kan. Masing-masing semua nak beli baru. Bila dah dapat kerja mestilah nak pakai motor baru, kereta baru kan. So still the motor vehicle still increase. Then number 3, encourage the use of alternative energy such as solar energy. So this one can be implemented. But Malaysia always got rainy season. Lalu ada rainy season. Only some place lah that implement solar energy. Okay, dekat Pahang. Saya dah nampak dekat Pahang. Okay. Jalan nak pergi Cameron Highland. Ada nampak ni solar panel ataupun solar energy. Okay, yang ni boleh implement. Alright, this one is to reduce pollution on plants. Okay, done. 2.5. Okay, soalan ni boleh jawab tak ni? Name 3 parts of a mangrove plant where gases exchange occurs. 3 parts of plants, general plants. We have stem, we have leaf and root. Stem, leaf, root. Okay, dia punya root ni panjang ni untuk yang mangrove plant. Okay, structure in the leaf. Label P and Q. What is P? What is Q? Okay, P is what? Boleh bagi jawapan dekat chat. User. Cepatnya. Okay. Cut cell. Q. This one. Cut cell. Okay. Q. Stoma. Stoma, stomata. Semua betul lah. Number 3. R. Stomata open or close during the day. During the day. Number 3A. Mana? Okay, open. Good. Rhinichia open to carry out photosynthesis. Okay, at night. At night. Should be close lah. Vice versa. Ni soalan ni saja je. Senang je. Kalau yang ni open, so yang ni close lah. So the explanation is to prevent water loss. Prevent water loss. Okay, why are stomata closed on hot days? Same also. Same answer. To prevent water loss. Okay, what are the effects of polluted air on the growth and survival of plants? Effect of polluted air. Cannot carry out photosynthesis. Cannot carry out photosynthesis. Photosynthesis will not occur. Okay, and then what happen? If photosynthesis will cannot be carried out, what happen? What's the importance of photosynthesis to the ecosystem? Kenapa pentingnya photosynthesis ni? Why we need plant? For what? Provide oxygen. Good, Brandon. To provide oxygen. To balance the level of oxygen. Okay, provide oxygen. Good. So we need photosynthesis process. We need plant to increase the level of oxygen in ecosystem. Okay, dan 2.5. Boleh dah rehat. Setengah jam je. Okay, tengok balik. Macam mana nak tengok ni? terbalik. Okay, respiration we have two main part in human and in animal. Okay, in human, still remember the structure. Let's start with nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, alveolus. Okay, the breathing mechanism that consists of diaphragm, lungs, rib cage. Then we have inhalation, exhalation. What happened to the rib cage? What happened to the diaphragm? What happened to the volume, the pressure? Okay, yang mana contract, yang mana relax, yang mana curve up, move out, upward, outward, or inward, downward. So semua kena tengok balik. Inhalation and exhalation. Okay, next is movement and gases exchange in the human body. This one alveolus lah. Yang ni alveolus. Gases exchange in human body. Dia cerita tentang alveolus. So how? The pathway of oxygen. Oxygen in the alveolus. Oxygen from alveolus diffuse into blood capillary. From blood capillary into red blood cell. Inside red blood cell got hemoglobin. Hemoglobin combined with oxygen become oxyhemoglobin. Okay, then it will go to the heart. Okay, then the heart will pump out to the whole body. Oxygenated blood. Okay, blood that has oxygen. Okay, then after it reach the body cell, the oxygen will diffuse into into the body cell. Then oxyhemoglobin become hemoglobin again. Once it's released the oxygen to the body cell. Okay, at the same time, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide from the body cell. Okay, we know that the body cell, the cell carry out respiration. It will produce carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide will diffuse into the blood capillary, into the red blood cell, and transport to lungs. Transport again to the lung. Okay, then we call it deoxygenated blood. Okay, itu dia punya pathway for gases exchange in alveolus and in the whole body. Okay, efficiency of alveolus, we have 4 characteristic: the thickness, one cell thick, moist, okay, surface area big because of millions of alveoli, a network of blood capillaries around the alveolus. Okay, and then health. The effect of harmful substance. What the harmful substance inside the cigarette tar? Okay, okay, the effect to our human respiratory system, the disease. Okay, we have 4. Ni yang saya explain tadi. Okay, next. In animal and plant. So in animal, adaptation in respiratory system in animal, we categorize into amphibian, fish, insects. But mammals are considered as a human, sama macam manusia. So yang lain tu, the other group of animals such as amphibian, fish and insect have their own respiratory system. Amphibian have moist outer skin that they use on land. One more is lung. And fish gills, remember gills consist of filaments and also tiny projection of lamellae. Okay, and this one insect consists of trachea. Trachea have small branches of tracheole. Okay, okay, all these two connected with a spiracle, which is their breathing pores. Dia punya lubang ataupun saluran pernafasan. Okay, then for grasshopper, it also have air sac. Air sacs. Okay, plants. Okay, for plants, we have stoma. We have stoma. Where stoma? On the surface of the leaf. Okay, stoma. A lot of stoma on the upper or below the leaf. There's a lot of stoma below. Below. Kalau dekat atas, it exposed to the light. So, the temperature is high compared to lower leaf. Okay, ini yang bahagian atas exposed to light. So, there's a lot of stoma at the below surface of the plant lah, to allow the exchange of gases. Okay, now stoma we have two conditions, either close or open, and when, during the day or during night. So which one close, which one open? Okay, then we have importance of unpolluted environment. Why? It's very important because in order to carry out photosynthesis and also to ensure growth and survival of plants. Okay. Ada soalan? Boleh ha? Ni kalau satu hari guna mind map ni boleh faham tak? Okay. So kita ambil dekat sini lah. Alright. Ni summative practice. Ni buat lah. Ada buku latihan buat soalan nombor 1 ni semua senang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ni Azma. Okay, sekejap saya nak tengok. Ni banyak lagi. Number 5. Okay. Ini. Buat homework. Kita ada sampai 1.5 kan? Okay, untuk yang tutorial. Tutorial hari ni. Do question number 5. Okay, number 5 until 11. Number 5 until number 11. You should have your practical book lah, exercise book from now on. Nanti nak buka sekolah lah lagi 3 minggu, 3-4 minggu lagi, sebulan. Okay, do number 5 until number 11. Answer only. Answer only ya. No need to copy the question again. You can refer to the textbook for the next time. So just write down the answer. Function hemoglobin. Okay. Boleh cari semua dalam buku teks ni jawapan. Tapi dekat belakang ada jawapan ke Dekat belakang buku teks ada jawapan ke? Macam ada tapi certain kan? Ke semua ada Yang hot ni. State the maximum volume of air in the lungs of the following runners while walking. Runner X, runner Y. Okay. Alright. Ini tak payahlah Yang ni you tengok je kalau nak buat. The maximum volume of air in the lungs while walking. So when you look at walking, okay, maximum is here. So this one maximum ialah sama level. Wait. Yang ini sini juga. Ini tak ada salah. Okay. So running dia start 20 until 90 running. This is walking. This running. So kalau bila tengok graf, perhatikan betul-betul x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Maximum volume. Maximum is the highest lah for runner X. For runner X, maximum is 3. This one, runner Y, maximum is uh, 2.5. Look carefully at the scale. Look carefully at the scale. Set the maximum volume of air in the of the following runners. Maximum volume of air in the lungs. Runner X maximum is 4. Runner Y maximum is 3. Maksudnya runner Y ni lemah sikit lah daripada runner X. Okay. Soalan ni senang je kan. Okay. Kalau soalan nak state relationship. Okay. Ini sampai form 4, form 5 akan ada soalan relationship. Either you take sub-science or pure science. Relationship mesti tengok dia punya x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Let's say we look at time first. When time increase from 20 to 100, what happened to the volume? What happened to volume? What happened to volume? So look at the x-axis first, paksi x dulu. That we call it manipulated variable. Time is manipulated variable. Volume is responding variable. Okay. Always remember x-axis for manipulated variable, y-axis for responding variable. So if there's question about relationship, so you just take if atau or when or as. If time increase, volume of air in the lungs, what happened? What happened? Of each runner. So each runner must have two relationship and explain. So I think for both the relationship, if time increase, the volume of air decrease. Volume of air in the lung decrease. As time increase, volume decrease. Okay. Makin lama, dia punya volume makin kurang. Volume makin kurang. Dia punya volume makin kurang. So that's all for relationship. Increase, decrease, bigger, smaller. Use the correct term in science. So dia punya dia punya conclusion. Which one is the smoker, runner X or Y? So from the graph we can see that runner Y is the smoker. Runner Y is the smoker. Because why? Because dia punya oksigen berkurang. Okay. The oxygen level decrease with time. So dia tak dapat nak provide enough oxygen. Dia punya lungs got problem. Okay, how does the increase in the maximum volume of the lung affect the respiration rate? How does increase in the maximum volume affect the respiration rate? So how? If the volume increase, the respiration rate also increase lah. If we have enough air, enough oxygen, so the respiration rate will increase, will stable. Kena faham dulu soalan betul-betul baru jawab. Okay. Jadi kita stop dekat sini. Saya nak you buat tutorial. Buat tutorial tadi number 5 until number 11. Okay. Alright. Kedatangan 31. 31. Apa selalu yang tak ada ni? Liva. Saya ingat Liva. Tusha ada tak? Tusha tak ada. Okay, never mind lah. Alright, class. Saya tengok attendance dekat dalam ni. Kartigayan 2 kali pula masuk ni. Ada 2 nama. Arisa pun ada 2 nama. 3 nama Arisa. Si ada gambar hantu lagi dekat tepi ni. Kenapa you lost Yang keluar masuk ada gambar hantu. Cynthia ada lagi? Cynthia dah hilang. Okey. Aduh. Kejap ada, kejap tak ada you all ni. Baik. We stop here kan And then bila? Esok. Okay. Jumpa esok. Okay, kita jumpa esok untuk chapter 3. Latihan tu buat Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Terima kasih cikgu.
Okay, Kati. Wong De Jin, Karti, Belinda. Okay, alright.